Hello and welcome to our next video. Now I want to continue to put some of the components that we need in our sitting room. So next thing we need to put is the curtains. So let's go back to the components from the modify toolbar. You see load. From load you take us to this one. So I will now come to my own where I stored my own materials to put. I double click on it. I go to domestic. From there I see blinds that I can use. Once I scroll down I will see the blinds. That's how I used to search for it. And if I couldn't find it there, I will go to furniture and go and search for where I can see it under domestic furniture. Yes, I'm able to see it around here. That's how we begin to search, because it is very large. I have a lot of furniture here. So under my materials you see domestic. You now go, you see blind. So I think I want to use this first one, horizontal assembly. So I'll just go to open. I will now go and click it open. So I'll just draw it on one side, from one side to the other, and I'll stop it there. I'll wait for it to come out. Yes, I'll right click and cancel, right click and cancel. So what next now is just to move it close to the window. So you move it like that, and that is it. So now we need some other adjustment. We need to see what we have been doing. So let's go to section. We go to view. We can now cut a section through what we have been doing to see how far we have gone. So we cut section from right to left. Once you do that, you right click and cancel. You now double click inside this big box, so it will give you the view that you want. You can see the inside of your sitting room. So you can see that this curtain is down. So what do? Just pull it up. Just use your up arrow. You shift it up. Use your up arrow to shift it up. That's how it is done. Use your up arrow to shift it up. Very good. Once you get it to where you want, you drop it. It has gone too far. You just bring it back down, and that is it. So this is how you do your cutting. So you can just take this one, you copy to this next place, you copy it to this next place, you copy it, and you could also go to ground floor again to go and check it. You rotate it, you copy it to this third window. You rotate as I've taught you. Do your rotate very well. Once you rotate it well, you now move it. Just move it, click one point, you now put it here, and that's how it is done. So once you are through with that, you now check again the level of your TV. Is it in the correct place? If it's not in the correct place, you go to another section. You draw another section to check what you are doing. You double click again. You can see that our TV is down. So what do? Just click it and use your up arrow to take it up to the level that you feel is okay. So you too can put any other thing you want. You can put flower vase. You can see change this setting if you like. Check that the material that I'll give to you, or that I've already given to you. So check it. You see a lot of things there. You can make use of it. It will really help you in your rendering. So once you are now through, you go back to your ground floor. Let's now pick a view that will make us see what we have been doing so far. Let's go to camera from modify. Let's pick from one corner to this other corner and see what we have been doing so far. Can you see what we have been doing so far? You can now drag this one like this, drag it like this. You drag it down, so until you get a very good view of what you will render at the end of the day. Once you've gotten a very good view of what you will render, you will now begin to render. But before we do that, in the next class we shall put our lighting fixture, because that's what will make our interior to be lighting so that the rendering can actually work. So we will do that in the next class. Thank you.